Good morning, dear students. Dear students, we are discussing our chapter 2 human migration. Yesterday we have discussed what is human migration. Migration is the systematic or regular movement of people from one place to another. Not even human but animal and bird also migrate from one place to another place, and we have discussed what is shifting agriculture. When we start growing crop on a piece of land till the soil is fertile and we abandon the place to move a new piece of land, this type of method of growing crop was known as a shifting agriculture. Then we have discussed migration in olden time, how people afraid to migrate one place to another because there were many myths. But when the British come, they encourage them to migrate, settle and work in the colony under the British control. After that we have discussed type of migration. There are two type of migration. First is voluntary migration and second is forced migration. We have discussed voluntary migration. What is voluntary migration? When people move to another place on their own choice for many purpose, for better job, education opportunity, or to be close to the family or friend in another village, town, city, state or country. This is known as volunteer migration. Then we have discussed what is seasonal employment. When we work as an extra labor during the sowing and harvesting season, this is known as seasonal employment. In the seasonal employment, labor move one place to another by their own choice. This is also known as volunteer migration. Today we will discuss what is forced migration. Let's start our chapter from here. Forced migration is the movement of a person, family, or large group of people due to natural disaster. What is the natural disaster? Like flood, earthquake, tsunami, etc. When they are forced to move and leave the place due to many reasons like natural disaster, earthquake, flood, tsunami, etc. Then they will leave their house and place, etc. Sometimes people are forced to migrate due to man-made disaster. When man create any disaster, then they migrate to another place like fire, drought or terrorist attack. It results in the loss of homes and jobs for many people. What happened when people are forced to leave their place? They will lose their homes, job, etc. This term is known as forced migration, when a people, a person, a family, large group of people migrate one place to another place if there will be any natural disaster or man-made disaster. Do you know? Some people are forced to migrate due to demolition of illegal colonies. We have seen some people made home in the government areas and the municipality areas. The government demolish the place and they have to leave their home, शॉप एक्सेट्रा. ऐसा होता है कि जो लीगल प्लेसेस होते हैं गवर्नमेंट के या म्यूनिसिपैलिटी के पर के, और उन जगहों पर कोई अपना घर या दुकान बना दे और गवर्नमेंट उनको तोड़ने का ऑर्डर देती है और खाली करने के लिए बोलती है, तो बहुत से लोगों को अपनी उन जगहों को छोड़कर जाना होता है. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज forced migration. Let's read the story here. Story of Sham. Sham, a blacksmith of Chandusi in Uttar Pradesh. This is a place in Uttar Pradesh. Earned money by making tools for the farmer. He make tools for the farmer and earn money. His village was hit by a drought. Drought means dry. There would be no rain. The farmer lost their crops. There was no work for Sham. He was forced to migrate to Lucknow to earn money to feed his family of 5 members. In his family there are 5 members because there is drought and they are forced to, there is no work for Sham and he forced to migrate to Lucknow to earn for his 5 family members. He carries load, work in dhabas or on construction site. He work in the different places. He carry the load, work in dhabas and work in on the construction sites. This term is known as forced migration. When you are forced to leave your place for earn money to fulfill your family member needs. In September 2014, the Kashmir Valley was flooded. The flood were caused by heavy rain and overflow of river Jhelum. Jhelum is a river in Kashmir Valley. It was flowing due to heavy rain. It was mainly a man-made disaster due to heavy construction on mountain. Why this happened? Just because man made many construction on the mountains, like dams, houses, building, etc. Thousands of people lost their homes, shop, business, etc. The Indian military and the local authority means the government, local government, municipality, panchayat, nagar nigam, etc. The Indian military and the local authority help the victims. Victim means the people who suffered from this flood. Thousands of people took shelter in relief camp in mosque and gurudwara. They are shifted to the relief camp in mosque and the gurudwaras. They are shifted to mosque and the gurudwaras. They were given food, medicine, clothes, etc. Where they get medicine, food, clothes, etc. You can see here how the Indian Army helping the people, and they are providing them food, medicine, clothes, and etc. So this is the forced migration, just because people create many construction on the hills side and a flood come and they lost their home, job, business, etc. So dear student, that's all for the day. Today we have discussed forced migration. There are two type of forced migration, natural and the man-made. In the natural disaster like flood, earthquake, tsunami, and the man-made disaster are fire, drought, terrorist attack. You will read this paragraph and you will try to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.